In this video, I will talk about the rectangular coordinate system in ordered pairs. An ordered pair is where two numbers associated with a point on the graph. The first number gives the horizontal location of the point and the second gives the vertical location. A coordinate is a number in an ordered pair. So you have an x coordinate and a y coordinate. So when you write an ordered pair, it'll be your x and your y coordinate. The x-axis is the horizontal number line and the y-axis is the vertical number line. The origin is the point of intersection of the two axes. So that's usually the point where the axis cross, the x and y axis cross. And then once you have your graph, it's broken up into quadrants. You have four regions created by the intersection of the two axes. So this is the rectangular coordinate system. Counterclockwise, you have quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. Any point that falls in quadrant 1, the ordered pair, both of those numbers will be positive. In quadrant 2, for the ordered pair, the first number will be negative, the second one will be positive. When it's in the third quadrant, the ordered pair will be where both numbers are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, the ordered pair, the first number will be positive, the second one will be negative. So this is the origin here. That's where the two lines cross. This point is 0, 0. This is your x-axis here. This line going across, and then your y-axis is the line going down. Alright, so let's go ahead and plot some ordered pairs so you can see how to graph in a rectangular coordinate system. The first point is 4, 2. So that means this number is x, the second number is y. You always start at the origin, and remember the x-axis is where you move left or right. The y-axis is where you move up or down. Okay, so we start at the origin. We're going to go over 4 and then up 2. So this will be the point 4, 2. As I stated earlier, anything that falls in quadrant 1, both of the numbers will be positive. The next ordered pair is negative 1, negative 3. We start at the origin. We go over to the left 1 and then down 3. This is negative 1, negative 3, this point here. As I stated before, when you fall in this quadrant, which is quadrant 3, both of your numbers in your ordered pair will be negative. The next point is 2, negative 2. Once again, you start at the origin. We're going to go over 2, down 2. So this would be 2, negative 2. The first number is positive, the second number is negative. This is in the fourth quadrant. And then the last point is negative 5, 1. We're going to go negative 5 on the x-axis, so we move to the left, and then we go up 1. So this is negative 5, 1. This is in the second quadrant. So now I'm going to talk about a table of values. We can create a table of values from an equation and then use those numbers to graph a linear equation. So in this one, the equation is y is equal to negative 3x plus 1. And with my table of values, I have all the possible x values that I want to plug into this equation and find the corresponding y value. So let's do x is equal to negative 2. So this will be y is equal to negative 3 times negative 2 plus 1. Negative 3 times negative 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So when x is negative 2, the y coordinate is 7. Now we do x is 0. This will be negative 3 times 0 plus 1. Negative 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 more is 1. And then the last one is x is equal to 1. I'm going to plug 1 back into the equation for the x variable. I get negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2. So as you can see, I have 3 ordered pairs. And I'm going to use those numbers to go ahead and graph a line. So the first point is negative 2, 7. I go to negative 2 on the x-axis and up 7. So I have a point here. The next one is 0, 1. So 0, 1, we don't have to move anywhere along the x-axis. We just stay right here at 0, and then we're going to go up 1. And the last one is 1, -2. So we'll go 1 on the x and down to -2 on the y-axis. So let me see if I got everything. -2, 7, 0, 1, and then we have 1, -2. So as you can see, these points form a straight line, and I can go ahead and draw a line through those points. So I'll do it like this. I'm not really good at drawing, so I'm going to draw with the, there we go. Okay, so this is the line that passes through all three of your points.